Markets once again pointing to a very negative start to the day, but there is one key difference compared to yesterday. Let's have a look at today's market setup. It is April the 4th, and we're at about a half an hour to the opening bell. So taking a look first at the economic calendar, non-farm payrolls did get reported and came in higher than anticipated, but the unemployment rate actually ticked higher. Now we can anticipate that unemployment number will continue to climb in the US and in fact globally, as we're seeing a crumbling of economies. But looking at the markets this morning, keeping in mind Fed Chair Powell will be speaking later on today, as I said, markets are very much pointing to the red. US 30 currently down 1,059 points, the 500 down 138, and tech currently down 483. So overall, all three major US indices down or pointing to a very red start at 2.5%-ish in the red. Now, if we have a look at commodities this morning, gold much the same trend as yesterday, down 1.31% spot level. And if we're taking a look at silver futures, down 3.5% today. Definitely some potential buying opportunity, especially for silver, at least for myself. Definitely something I'm going to be considering. Now, if we're having a look at the currency here, the US dollar, unlike yesterday, which trended down quite significantly, is actually up about 0.25%. So definitely seeing some of this fear trading moving into the US dollar, propping up that relative strength at least. Now, if we have a look at bonds, however, bonds continuing with that same deep negative trend, down 3.5% this morning. Very much concerning there as well. Definitely going to be keeping an eye on that 10-year yield. Now, cryptocurrencies as well this morning taking advantage of much of the outflows from equity. And we're seeing right across the board a lot of green in crypto. Definitely a lot of buying the dip there. But that's it for now, everybody. I'll see you at the opening bell.